Hi, it's JJ. I hope you've been enjoying my fun videos. I just wanted to answer a question about why I'm doing these videos that have nothing to do with real estate or financial planning. And I am working on some that have to do with financial planning, and many of you may have seen my Real Estate Rehabbing 101 videos. If not, contact me. I'll show you how you can buy those. So I am working on those more professional ones, but you know, these little family ones that I've been doing, they're basically practice. Yes, practice. I stink at impromptu speaking. I'm almost embarrassed to admit it because I have been in the military almost 20 years. Many of my jobs have been protocol, writing speeches and briefings for my bosses, putting events together, you know, translating scientific stuff into things that the layperson can understand, you know, plus narrations. I'm always being called for ceremonies and promotions and things like that. And on the side, I do voice acting. So I actually do commercials and book narrations and all that kind of stuff. You would think that I was awesome at impromptu speaking, but I'm not. So these videos are practice. You know, it actually kind of works the opposite way too. You know, have you ever seen someone that was really, really funny and so they make them the MC of your event? And then when they're reading the script, though, it's like they cannot be their funny self to save their lives. You wonder why that is? Well, we're all naturally gifted in different areas. Some people are very gifted free-flowing. Some of us are better working with a script. In fact, a lot of times when I know I'm going to have to speak clearly and hit it on the first time, I will actually write my script out because then I'll get through it and get my point across succinctly. So these little videos are practice, and one of the reasons I'm making this video to tell you that these videos are practice is because I want to encourage you about, you know, maybe there's a skill that you feel like you need to take your game to the next level, to take your ministry to the next level, to take your business to the next level. I've been feeling for a while that the Lord is calling me to get better at impromptu speaking, get better at connecting with people, get better at communicating how I feel and what I think in a succinct manner. I'm not always good at that. I'm still a work in progress, unfortunately. But the point is, I'm getting better because I'm practicing. So if there's something that's on your heart, ask the Lord to open up some ways for you to practice, and you'll be surprised at what He does. I'm JJ Conway. Be blessed.